Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to share you guys the latest updates about DePIN Alliance. So some people have been asking me about what is this DePIN Alliance daily combo, what is it all about, does it work, how do I get the reward. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what this daily combo is about and how do you go about it. So if you like videos relating to airdrops, telegram airdrops, crypto in general, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates about crypto airdrops. And let's get straight into the video. So right here is the daily combo for today. Now, to get this daily combo, all you need to do is search for it, the pin daily combo on Twitter. You can search on Twitter, you can search on Google, you can join my WhatsApp group too, because on my WhatsApp group we post the daily combo, so you might not need to go and I don't like searching around. You can click the link in the description to this video. You see the link to my WhatsApp group, so you join the WhatsApp group. On that WhatsApp group we post daily updates, daily crypto update about different crypto airdrops. So if you like update about airdrops, then join the WhatsApp group. It's free. Just click the link and you join. We also post the daily combo there. So those are the different ways you can get this daily combo. Now when you have the daily combo now, like this, all you need to do is to go to your DePIN Alliance. Now first of all, let me just put this in my head. The first one is not, second one is okay, she got that, and sky eyes. So now I'm logging into my DePIN Alliance, and first thing I'll do is to claim my points, which is right here. So I'm going to claim. So I've claimed. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to right down here where it says world map. So this world map is where we will put those daily combo stuff. So I click on world map. The first thing is Africa, I think. I've forgotten. I have to go and check it again. First one is saying start by choosing the region that best fits your preference. Each area offers unique. So all this is just basically intro. Let me go and check the right cards for today. So I'm back here. The first one is not, second one is OKA stuff, then Sky Eyes. So let me go to my app, and the first one I'll click on this Asia and change it to North, which is North America. This one, confirm. The next one I'll click on, the next one is AKA stuff. Click on agency and change it to AKA this one, I think. No, okay, this one, okay. And then the third one is Sky Eyes. So I'll change my tools to Sky Eyes. Then I confirm. Now, as I've clicked on the right stuff, it will bring out these points on the map. So I can see there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Now, all these points are different games on the Pin Alliance. So we play the game and we get the points. So let me click on this first one, Vancouver. It says quickly solve the puzzles to pass 3 levels to complete the mission. So start mission. Now this one is a simple game where you solve a puzzle. Okay, so the first one is basically your aim is to arrange it upright, arrange it well. So I'm going to turn this to make it like this, and by the time it's closed, it will just align by itself and complete. So I've done one, remain two left for me. I'll stand this upright, and the puzzle is actually very simple. I'm done with this one. And the last is the start to Eiffel Tower of Paris. So I've completed the puzzle and I'm going to get rewarded. That's the first game, very easy. I get 420,000. I claim it. Now I move on to the next game, which is let's check this Chicago. It says the challenge consists of mathematical calculations. Pass calculations to complete it. So let's start the mission. Now for this one, I'll need to rotate my phone. So I'll put my phone on auto rotate and I'll rotate my phone. Okay, it's basically mathematical questions. So it says solve maths questions. Now it's basically 5 or 3. Okay, 5 plus 3 will give us 8. Gotten that. Next one, as you can see here, 5 minus 4 will give us, minus is not moving. Okay, 5 minus 4 has to complete before this time runs out. 1. Next one, 4 minus 1. So just in between. Yeah, that's the last one. I've gotten my reward. So I will take my phone back and I claim my reward. Now I move on to the next game. I've done 2. I have 3 more to go. If I check New York, it's also the same mathematical calculation. So I'll play again. Alright guys, I'm done with New York, I guess. So now, okay, so the next two, one is a Sukudo game, the other one is a rat game. That Sukudo game, I don't know how to play it, but that rat game is easy. This one now that says fill 9 to 9 in the Sukudo game. I don't know, since I've been small, I don't know how to play the Sukudo game. So I just leave it. If you know how to play Sukudo game, you can play this one easily. Then the last one is in 60 seconds, eliminate the mice. So reach 1,000 points in 60 seconds. So this one is easy. Just tap on the screen and you get it. So let's start again. Talk about like this. Yeah, faster you get you get 1,000 points because you 200 points now. And do that like this. But see that time is not going fast. So guys, I'm done with that game and I'm getting my reward 192,000 points. And that's it for the daily reward. Those are the 4 major games. For the last one, I don't usually play because I don't know how to play it, and I'm just too lazy to go and bother. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. And if you did enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.